but I know the perfect spot to kick back and unwind after what has been a very good day. This is the Stumblin Goat, local watering hole, live music venue, and family-friendly restaurant that has a chair with my name on it. Okay, not literally. Those are only reserved for the true locals. But if you start looking for names in here, you'll find plenty you'll recognize.
All right, so they got a cool tradition here. Every artist that plays that stage gets to decorate a board. And so this wall is sort of like a scrapbook. Some big Texas names. We got Cody Canada right here, Gary P. Nunn, Ray Wiley Hubbard, Flatland Cavalry, one of my favorites, Shane Smith and the Saints. They're selling out enormous venues now. This is amazing.
This building used to be a Pontiac dealership and then a Phillips 66 station, but now it's a tribute to all the businesses of Canadians past and some of its most beloved past residents, including Bo the Goat.
Oh no, this is Bo, bottle opener goat. This just feels so wrong. I can't watch. Did it go? There it is. Okay, I'm sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to do that.
I'm having a lot of firsts today.
I don't know what just happened, but I feel like I might need to wash my hands.
This is longtime goat roper, Alicia Conway.
So Canadian is one of those parts of Texas not many people ever make it out to.
No, but it's a hidden gem. It's such a beautiful place. We do get a lot of travelers too, but most of actually all these people live here. I know them all.
Okay.
So yeah, they all
Well, then it's that kind of place, right?
Yeah, definitely. We're known for our barbecue. The sausage is the best sausage you'll ever eat in your life. The ribs just fall off the bone.
Okay.
Milton's pretty genius.
Wait, Milton? Yep, you heard it right. Hey, it's a small town, and when you're a great restaurateur, you own the great restaurants. This one turns out everything from wood-fired pizza to smoked brisket, loaded mac and cheese, to hand-battered onion rings. But the dish that has me most intrigued, their goat sliders.
It's not really goat, but they are so delicious, and they have goat cheese on them.
Okay.
They're
Well,
pretty
I love
delicious.
goat meat. I love goat cheese. I love all things goat.
This truly gets my goat in the best of ways.
Woo. All right, here we go. Look at it. We got hand-formed patties, and the magic's on the inside, guys. Onion, some bacon, some mushrooms, goat cheese, a little grease. Wow. Oh, that's good.
Chet, now that you've finished your appetizer, we've got the main course.
Oh, no, Milton. Thank you. This is fantastic. These ribs look amazing. Oh, they are, man.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.